I'm holding a cover of, it can be a laundry basket, but it's a storage table. So this is the cover of the storage table, and this is the storage. So as you can see, it has large gaps and holes, large gaps and large gaps. Yeah, I just said gaps. There are lots of gaps that could small items come out to or push through. So basically, I will make this my laundry basket. So if it's not full, I could just put on the lid, and then I could transform it into a table, or you could just land your phone there on top. So yeah, this is the laundry basket storage we got from IKEA. Yeah, so just a while ago, hours ago. And basically this is the cover. So you put it on top. If you don't have that lots of laundry or stuff inside the storage, you could put the cover on, the white cover on that I was holding a while ago, this one. And then you could just put wine glasses, phones, cameras, wallets, anything, all of the above. Because basically I think the material of the cover of the storage or laundry basket that I improvised laundry basket is close to marble. I don't know if it's marble, if it's stone, pebble. I'm not so sure, but from knocking, it's pretty, it's nice, it's a nice, it's a nice type of cover. It's not just plastic, or no offense, it's not just plastic or just anything, any cover, PVC or felt, or you know, the most affordable types of type of furniture or table. It's not that. It's similar to marble. It's because it's heavy. See, I could use it as a dumbbell at the gym. Wait, hold on. Let me just see if they have it. Alright, so it says here, that's weird. Alright, so let's open this baby up and see if I'm correct. Yeah, I'm opening it up. So there are papers inside. Yeah, there are papers inside, and you just have to read them. Retighten when necessary. So yeah, let's read the other manual. Cavis Bro. Cavis Bro. Cavis Bro. Alright, so warning, delicate table, do not sit on the product. We need to apply the stoppers underneath the stoppers here. The stoppers, the stickies. that have felt on the other side, and on the other side it's sticky. So we have to apply that underneath the storage and the improvised laundry basket underneath. And just put the cover on top of this baby right here. This laundry basket, improvised laundry basket. Alright, it's focusing just a little bit there. And then just put it on top. There you, ta-da! Remove the plastic. Yeah. Remove the plastic. And then the cardboard, of course. And there is the cover. Oh, it's not marble, it's wood. Very nice, it's wood. And it's painted white. It's wood, that's why it's heavy too. So, remove. Here's the laundry basket, and we're slowly removing the plastic. Alright, so I already packed my shears, but my other scissors are here. Other scissor. There. Woohoo! So this is the improvised laundry basket. And then we cover it with a cover. So this could be a table. Literally could be a table. It's nice. You could put some stuff here, your clothes. Letters, love letters, love letters. Yeah, we're packing now, and I'll put this inside the luggage. Not just kidding, it won't fit. It's not foldable. It's not durable. It's not compact, obviously. Right. Let me just find the stoppers. Uh-oh. Oh, there, I found them. Tiny. Later. Here. Found them. Here are them. Hold on. Where to put them? That is the question. Right. See you. I'll just put these babies right here. Good night. Mosquito